He was all blurry here. Oh, there we go. Here's our little red bones. Hi! We just had our SPCA visit, so everybody's fine. Everybody's good. Look at these little fellas. There they come. Bye. Hey, oh, he's growling. How cute are these babies? Oh, there's a lot of grumbling going on in here. Who's this crumbly baby? Not to be confused with the crumbly baby. Oh man, I'm gonna put that down. The heat is just rolling out of there. Heat isn't even warm in there.
I guess a little bit urine in there too. I should get some new bedding in there too.
What, you guys been peeing in your bed? Don't pee in your bed. Who burped? Let me see. Who did that? Are you being silly?
I'm gonna go dark. That little guy is it. Maybe he's just.
Oh, here he is.
Maybe he's in the
Brian being silly, and now I have to edit half my video. Crazy comments. Yeah. Sorry, Regina. I have to edit that out. I know you like it when my videos are real, but that's just too real. Hi guys, you gonna let your brother in? Gotta let one out so you can let one in. Hi, how you doing? Oh, hello there. You're so cute. Oh man, they're adorable. Oh, quit your whining and just get up on the ramp. Whoop! There you go. They do. They're talkers already. Oh, look, you didn't even want in. You're just being silly.
Tail biting going on.
Oh, look at the wrinkles on these faces. That's so cute. This is the only time wrinkles on the face is cute. Hi. You are just so adorable, actually. How adorable are you?
Your eyes too, eh?
Amazing.
This is them up there going at it.
You want some carpet to play with? Carpet.
Oh, that's no fun. Silly carpet. Is that like a rope toy? I don't think anybody's gonna like this video. They're just gonna get all kinds of thumbs down. This isn't cute at all.
What? What are you whining about? Huh?